Let's go.
Ride with me, ride with me. Roll with me, roll with me. Come on, ride with me, ride with me. Roll with me, roll with me.
Where are we at?
Mount Lemon. We're in Summer Haven.
What is this trail called?
I have no idea.
Here we are at Marshal Gulch, and it's got a little water going through it right now. This is at the top of Mount Lemon. This is about as far as you can go with your vehicle, legally. Going up. This is my second time being here, well, third time. Entering burned area, potential hazard, loose rocks. Yeah, so quiet. Remember not to fall. Oh, snap. Awesome. Got runners up here.
Identify as a human?
Let's go down to the river.
I always have this vision of, because I oversee these mountains every day, and I always have like this prayer where it's, God, thank you for my mountaintops, like, because I can see that I'm moving forward, I'm moving to a higher place, and so being on the top, it's like, well, I did it. I pushed forward and I accomplished it, the mountaintops.
Right. So my favorite part about this trail is just the fresh air, the greenery, the water is always nice, and just the sound of, you know, it sounds like people take these sounds, they put them in a box so people can go to sleep at night. So you can get it out here free. And
yeah, probably the water and the fresh air. Yeah. Not as much pollen up here, at least pollen that I'm allergic to, so.